Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can live stream on TikTok, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of TikTok apps on the screen, where you can see profile icon at top right corner. Just hover over there and now you can see live studio option. Once you tap on it or click over there, you'll be redirected to the another page where you need to download TikTok Live Studio application. And finally, once you download this application, you'll be able to see the interface shown in the screen. Now, if you are beginners, you simply need to click on Set Up Now option, and if you are experienced, you can simply import from another tool, or you can click on Go Live Straight. So basically, this is how you can stream on TikTok, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, then leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.